Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of 1 Minute Shorts. Today, we are going to talk about character and emotions. In the last video, we understood what is the difference between a character and an actor. So, now let's talk about character and different kind of emotions. Before we get on to our main topic, it's very important to understand what is the difference between emotions and expressions. Emotions is nothing but something that goes inside us or internal, something that we feel from beneath, from within. And expressions are those emotions that we show externally through our body, face, voice, body language, etc. Now let's talk about character and an emotion. Like we understood in the last video, that character is played by an actor. Now, there are times when actor and character can have conflicting emotions. Example, there can be one scene where your character needs to be very happy, but you internally, because of some reason, are not feeling happy that day. So now, how can you feel something inside and do something externally? Let's look at it. It is very important for an actor to understand the character, for which every actor needs to do characterization. Well, characterization is a method where you sit and you talk and think about the character that you are playing. For example, if I play the character of Goldilocks, it's very important for me to answer the 6 question, the 5W and 1H. Why? Why is it happening with Goldilocks? When? When did it happen? Did it happen in day, night? Which year was it? What? What exactly happened? Where? Where is it happening? Is it happening in India? Is it happening outside India? Is it happening in some small village of India? Is it happening in big city of Singapore? Who? Who is it with? Is it with Goldilocks? Is it with the people around her? Who are these people with her? And finally, the last one, how? How it happens. Once you have answered all these questions, it is time to make a mental note of this character map. All the points, the physical traits, the internal traits, the way your character would behave is very important for an actor to know to be able to play that character. Hence, you will know how your character will respond to any kind of situation. The moment you know how Goldilocks would feel or how Goldilocks would react if she gets lost or if she finds those 3 beds and the bears, you'll know how to respond, and that will come from within. So, it is very important for an actor to understand all the answers to the questions. The last thing that actor needs to do is relax. You do not, once you know all these things, once you know well your character, you do not have to worry too much. You just have to play along with whatever you, as your character, are feeling. What many actors do is, before they start their rehearsal or before they get on stage, they relax. They take 10 to 15 minutes to just sit silently, close their eyes, and think of all the points that we have talked about till now. Once you keep revising, keep thinking about what is going on, what is happening, how is happening, who is she, where is she come from, when is it happening, the moment everything will fall into places. So this is what is my suggestion to you for a character and emotion. Character and actor can have conflicting emotions, but it's very important for an actor to understand their character, to be able to understand its emotion, and then finally express it to the audience. If you have any questions regarding it, please put in the comment section below. Like, share, and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.